Welcome to Octane Vein, and more importantly, welcome to the new home of Octane Vein. I've just moved house, and literally on the side of the house is this incredible garage. Now this is an absolute game changer for me, because before I used to rent a unit, it was a 15-minute drive away from the house, and it was a real hassle to get anything done. This, I literally walk out of my house directly into the garage, and I don't share it with anyone. So that means I can leave a job set up and just pick up where I left off, rather than having to tidy up for the other guy to come down. Now, as I said, this is a game changer, and I am so excited because this now means that I can get on with some proper work on the E21. So the first job is to take the rear subframe off the E21, make a jig so I can fit the E28 5 Series rear subframe, which is the first part of fitting the 6-cylinder engine to the E21 to turn it into a proper race car. So stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot more content coming.